Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to defragment your hard drive into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply come over into your search option and going to search for defragment. Click on this defragment and optimize drivers. Click on that. And from here, you can find two drivers called C drive and another drive, D drive. So if I just select the C drive and click on optimize, it will start the optimization over here. You can see it's okay. So now if you want to change or if you want to schedule the optimization, then simply come over into scheduled optimization, go for change settings. And from here, you can simply run on schedule, and you can also frequently use it as weekly, daily, monthly, however you want. So I will set it into weekly, and then I will going to click OK, and that will be okay, and then close it. So this is how you can defragment your Windows hard drive into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.